Hey guys, in today's tutorial we are going to look at how we can make use of the PowerPoint feature of SmartArts to change or convert a set of bullet points into a very presentable way. So we are going to use the SmartArt feature of PowerPoint. So this is Office 365 here, and then I have this slide here which lists a set of steps which have to be performed in a sequence. So these are sequence steps. So now I'm going to quickly convert this into a smart art. So first thing is I make a duplicate of this slide just in case if I don't want the smart art, then I still have a backup of the slide. So now I'm going to go to the slide and then select all the content, right click, and I can say control A, select all the content, and then in the home tab, home menu, we in the paragraph in the paragraph section we have the convert to smart art option. So if I do the drop down here, then I should be then if I take the cursor over the different options here, move the cursor over different options, I will be able to see the different way the content is presented. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click come down here and click more smart art graphics. So here there are lists, there are groups here which define a set of smart arts together. So because this is a process, so I'm going to click the process group, and then I'm going to select one of the very basic process and say okay. So here it says used to show a progression or sequential steps in a task, process, or workflow, which is good for us. I'm going to say okay. Yes, so we have the smart art here. So this was our slide, and this is how we have it here. But now maybe I need some more changes to this. Maybe it's not what I want. Then I will double click this smart art, and PowerPoint will immediately in the layouts group is going to show other similar smart art options. So I can hover the cursor here, and then it's going to show me the different ways the list can be presented. So I can click the drop down, and then I'm going to select one of these here. Okay, so this is what I want. So there are three steps, three high-level bullet points, and then the sub-bullet points. So this was our slide, and this is how the slide looks like now. There can also be an option to insert images. So I have this slide here, which is the same slide but with images. So let's work with this now. I'm going to right click and make a duplicate of this slide. So let me go back to the original slide. I'm going to select all the content by using Control A. So it selected all the content. I'm going to again go to convert to smart art drop down, and then more smart art graphics. And here, because I have set of pictures, I'm going to go into the picture section. So click this, and so I'm going to select a very basic smart art here. It's a picture caption list. So you have pictures in the colored boxes, and then you have text in the lines here. So I'm going to say okay. Okay, so this is what we have now. Now we have to add pictures to these placeholders. So to do that, I'll copy the first picture. I'll right click and say copy, and I'm going to click the placeholder where I want to insert the picture. Right click on the placeholder, format shape, and then in the fill section I'm going to say picture or texture fill. So there I'll say clipboard, and then it's going to insert the picture there. I'm going to do the same for the other placeholders as well. So now we have a smart art with the text and the picture here. Now I can still go ahead and double click this smart art, and then let's say I want to use a different way to present this. So maybe I want to use something like this or something, a different smart art. So this one looks good to me. So here, how to make tea, then you have all the images and then the corresponding text with respect to these images. So this is how we make use of SmartArt to present our content in a very effective way. Thank you for watching.